Hello everyone, welcome to this series of Decoding Entrepreneurship, the startup class by Anurag Lala. In this session, in this entire series, we are going to learn about startup, about various ways of developing your own startup. The live classes video will be shared in the from the next session, and for this session, we will be talking about what is basically an startup and how you can get startup ideas. So, I have talked with many people, and they have said that startup is something which solves a problem, and that is only the true definition of what a startup means. Startup means to solve a problem. If your startup can solve the biggest problem of the society, then your startup will definitely successful in the coming years. Basically, what is a startup? A startup is something that is initiated by its founders around any idea or any problem with the potential for significant business opportunity and impact. बेसिकली स्टार्टअप क्या होता है? स्टार्टअप एक आइडिया और एक प्रॉब्लम के सराउंडेड में वो एक आइडिया है जो आप क्रिएट करोगे एंड उससे आपका बिजनेस को आप स्टार्ट करोगे. बेसिकली स्टार्टअप इज अ वेंचर which is being formed by someone, started by someone around any idea or any problem which has the potential of significant business opportunity. वो problem का एक potential है एक business में turn करने का. Like we talk about, if we talk about urban collab, basically if you are shifting it to some new city, say if you are shifting from Delhi to Mumbai, in that case you are a complete new person to Mumbai. You don't know about various services like carpenter services, plumber and all. And if you need any of these services, what you will do, you will just download the Urban Club application, and from that application you can easily access those services. So what Urban Club has done, Urban Club has just made a platform that help you to interact between the actual carpenters or plumbers and the customers. It was a problem for new people who are shifting to new cities to get accessibility of these services, and to provide these services, Urban Club has identified the problem that was there in the society, the gap he has identified, and had made the thing. And because of this reason, today Urban Club is one of the India's most prominent startups in the country. So basically, for you to start a startup, you have to find a problem, and that problem could be anything. But just remember one thing: that problem must be such like it will affect a lot of people. It's not that it's only your problem. Your individual problem don't will not create any startup. Okay, your problem must be such that it affects a lot of people. And if you can find that sort of problems, then and you can make a business opportunity regarding it, then your startup will definitely boom. Then but the question is how to find startup ideas. So I will start with a story. Basically, I was just thinking about why I downloaded the music app Sawan. Remember the feeling when you walked out of a movie during which you have heard a good song? You want to hear it immediately, right? And I remember trying to download songs, there was no platform or application where I could immediately find that song. So what Sawan has done, basically, if we move back 5 or 10 years back, then if I have watched a movie and I want to listen one of the song of a movie, or if I want to download one of the song, then there was no platform for me to access that song. Okay, but what Savan has done, Savan has created an application, a platform that allowed people to use that music. Means you can listen that music and you can satisfy your personal wants. So it was a problem for people that they were unable to hear any music after watching a film. But as soon as Savan came into India, what they have done, they have started this startup that provide music services to a lot of people. So by providing these services, what happened? Savan has created any startup. सावन ने भी प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई किया. प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद उन्होंने एक स्टार्टअप क्रिएट किया. आज वो इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा है. हम लोग जानते हैं बेसिकली इट इज इंडिकेटेड विद जियो सावन राइट नाउ. सो सावन हैज डन लाइक दिस. सो आपको प्रॉब्लम खोजना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड प्रॉब्लम, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ पीपल, एंड यू कैन इजीली find your startup idea. Basically, founder of Savan was a music lover, and he grew up listening to Indian music. He saw that in Western countries, a lot of content, especially music, was going digital. But then he noticed that in a country of billion people, where people are music fantastic, music was not digital, and he decided to act upon this pain point and took South Asian content digital on their platform to fill this gap in the market. I have said just right now that startup have to solve the problem of the society and have to fill the gap that is there in the market. So Savan has identified that there was no music platform for India, and they have made this music platform. Today, Savan is a very well reputed company. We all know. Basically, the pain points we face in our daily lives, whether at work, at home, or in certain situations and under specific condition, are often the best source of need gap identification for new venture ideas. Basically, you will get new venture ideas from your daily life only. The success of your life is there in your daily schedule. If you can find problems that you are getting in your daily schedule while at your work, office, or at your home itself, you can create any startup to solve that problem, and that startup will definitely grow. But that problem must be faced by a lot of people. It should not be a personal issue only. That must be remembered. Then, how should you go for a particular startup idea that is good? How can you understand my startup idea is good? You will understand by asking three questions: who needs it right now? How badly do they need it? Will they buy it from someone they have never heard of? Today's date is 11/3/2021. If I go before 6 months, at the peak of COVID-19 crisis, if I say, if I will explain this example to you with the help of that COVID-19 vaccination, so let's ask this three question: who needs COVID-19 vaccine right now? Everyone needs it. How badly do they need it? They need it because they need it. They have to take that vaccination and they need it. Means everyone wants that. So I got a positive answer for this question. I got a positive answer for this question. Then will they buy it from someone they have never heard of? Obviously, if it is good and if it is working, then they will definitely buy from any country who is going to produce the vaccine first. So basically, you have to ask these three questions, and I hope that you have understood with this COVID-19 example that how you have to ask these three questions with yourself and with your startup idea. If you can answer to these three questions, your startup will definitely boom. And with the help of these three questions, you can understand that what your startup is actually. Okay. Then we are going to have about we will look at a startup. Basically, it's Ola Cabs. It's better to work on a problem that really exists. Basically, Ola has solved a problem of the society. Basically, what we had, we this quotation is being said by Bhavesh Agarwal in the Upgrade Startup India program, which I have quoted over here. So we actually started off a business called OlaTrip.com and pivoted that after 6 months into OlaCabs.com. Ola Trip was all about selling weekend holidays online, and it was from a personal pain point of not being able to, book tickets around major cities. So how Ola started? Initially, Ola started OlaTrip.com, which provide weekend holidays only. That never weekend holidays only. And now it is Ola Cabs, but previously they have started Ola Trip with with the understanding that there was no such platform with the help of which people can easily navigate to different places at very ease cost. Okay, so they have started OlaTrips.com. Next, they never went anywhere, but while doing that, we realized that for the pain point of cab aggregation for hourly rental or outstation travel, and that's how we changed from selling trips to selling, to build a website where you can book cabs for going outstation, let's say from Bombay to Pune or Delhi to Agra. So that was the first portal we made, and from there, incrementally, we kept learning more about the business, got people into transportation, learned how big an opportunity urban transportation is. So today, our mission is to build mobility for all of India. Basically, it initially started with Ola Trips to provide weekend holiday packages, and after the success of Ola Trip, they have identified that people have problem to move around the city as well, and there was nothing such known as Ola or any cab services. So they have started with Ola Cabs, and as a result, today we all know that it's a very known company, and we are basically using Ola and Uber in our day-to-day life. So this is what Bhavesh Agarwal has done. They have identified the problem of the society in between, and they have made the startup in the very same way. So you have to understand what is the problem, and you can make it. Okay, that's about this session. Then you're going to have a validation of your idea. You have to ask these six questions to you before you can start your idea, or you can, or if you are thinking about any startup idea, you have to ask these three questions. What pain point are you trying to solve? Problem problem क्या है जो आप solve कर रहे हो? What is the problem that you are actually solving? Who are you solving for? Who is the target audience? For a gym, the target audience will be young people and less of old age people who are more than 70, less. But main target audience will be the younger ones. Then how are you trying to solve it? You are trying to solve a problem. How? What is the approach? If I want to solve the problem of going from one place to another, I will solve the problem by cab services or by train or by flight. You have to think that how you are trying to solve it. Is anyone else is doing it? Now many new entrepreneurs and businesses think that all the ideas are already used by someone or the another, so we can't start something new. No, it's a complete wrong perception. Everyone is doing something or the other in any industry. If you see, physically someone is there. So to overcome this issue, your product must be best, and Can you do it differently from them? Yes, you have to do it differently from them. If e-commerce is concerned, then Amazon was the first company which came into India. But even Flipkart came, and still today Flipkart is a well-reputed e-commerce company. So how Flipkart came? If Amazon was there in the market, then also Flipkart came with its unique product strategies and with its unique service as well, you can say. So you have to do it differently from them. And can I charge my customer, and how much? This is the price thing that is very important, because customers are very much concerned about this issue. So charging your customer and how much, that needs to be properly evaluated. So that's all for this session, and I hope that tomorrow session will be more even good. Tomorrow we're going to talk about business environment and how you can scan business environment to for your startup. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next session.